Hi guys, today we're talking about the referencing systems. There are various types of referencing systems, and following the one recommended by your school is important so you don't lose marks when people are going through your coursework. While differences sometimes are just stylistic, there are some substantive issues that you need to be aware of. For instance, does the system adopted ask for in-text references, or does it ask for footnotes? Most universities in the UK and most law schools adopt what is known as oscola, the Oxford University standard for the citation of legal authorities. This is a footnote-based system with specific information as to how primary and secondary sources of law ought to be referenced. Footnotes are common in legal work. That's why if you pick up a law textbook, you're likely to find 2/3 of the page being the text and 1/3 of the page being footnotes in this tiny print. When offering information from a source that you've used, you will insert a little footnote marker, which then corresponds to a reference at the end of the page. This will contain the name of the author, the name of the source that you're using, information on the publisher, the date of publication, and the page in which this information can be found. See, for example, this one. If you refer back to the same source later on, you can use a cross-reference mentioning the name of the author and the footnote in which this information appears. If this information comes straight above, then you can use the Latin term ibid. The main difference between this information you're putting in the footnote and the information you will put at the end of your work in the bibliography is in the way that you write the names of the authors. For instance, in the footnote, you use the full name, while in the bibliography, you will just use the surname in the initial of the first name. Have a look at this example here. For further information on stylistic issues, how to cite cases, legislation, and other types of sources like audiovisual material, have a look at the link on the description below. Before you do this, however, check this video linked right here on how long it's going to take you to prepare your full essay. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time.